Up close, the praying mantis looks like an alien from another world. Today, we're going inside the tiny macro world of the mantis, an insect full of surprises. The mantis has some of the most unique eyes in the insect kingdom. It has 2 large eyes in front, and 3 tiny simple eyes on top of its head. This gives it incredible depth perception. It can see movement from far away and focus just like a camera lens. One of the coolest things about the mantis is this can turn its head left and right. Very few insects can do this. When a mantis tilts its head and looks at the camera, it almost feels like it's curious about you. Let's look closer. Its antennae act like tiny sensors, detecting air, vibrations, and smells. The texture of its body helps it blend perfectly with leaves. Everything on a mantis is designed for one purpose: to survive in nature using patience and precision. The mantis doesn't rush. It moves slowly, gently rocking side to side like a leaf in the wind. This simple movement helps it stay hidden from enemies and makes it almost invisible among plants. There are many kinds of mantis around the world. Some are bright green, some look like dry leaves, and some, like the orchid mantis, look exactly like flowers. Each species uses its shape and color to blend into its environment. Mantis spend a lot of time cleaning their arms. This is not just for hygiene. Their arms are filled with sensitive sensors, so keeping them clean helps them sense the world better. Watch how it slowly turns its head and focuses its eyes. Mantis have true binocular vision. They can judge distance with amazing accuracy, which is why their movements always look smooth and controlled. Here are some surprising mantis facts. They have 5 eyes. They can balance on very thin branches. Baby mantis look like tiny adults, and they can stay completely still for minutes without moving at all. The mantis may be small, but its world is full of beauty, intelligence, and detail. Thank you for exploring this macro journey with me. For more close-up nature moments, don't forget to subscribe.